Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a new video on Ondo. I wanted to make a quick video on this. It's been super bullish. We've had some major bullish breakouts, especially yesterday morning. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. Give you my thoughts on what's going on right now, what's most likely, etc. Now, I do want to tell you before we get into this is that I bought Ondo at 24 cents. Also gave a signal about it in my signal group. So if you're interested in that, in trades like that, they're all not that great, but still I did send it. Consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But now let's focus on Ondo right now. Because I would say, look, fundamentally, to talk about that first, Ondo is part of the RWA narrative, all right? So the real world asset narrative. It's not a newer narrative, but it is a narrative that still has to really pop off. And I do think with the momentum that we've seen from Ondo and what it is, I mean, it's providing some real value already right now. The market cap, I would say, is still relatively low. So I do think Ondo has the potential to be one of the leaders in that narrative. And if that narrative starts to do well, which crypto does the best is the main crypto out of that narrative. So that's one of the reasons fundamentally why I like Ondo a lot. Right now, we're just seeing quite a lot of bearish pressure. I mean, Bitcoin is kind of pushing down. We're finding some strong resistance in general. So that's also pushing Ondo down. Fundamentally, I'm very bullish. And if you talk about the technicals, I mean, there's not much that's bearish about this, right? Especially if you look at the open interest, for example. Ondo can already be traded on perpetual futures for Binance. I think a normal Binance listing is coming soon. But if you look at this, I mean, you can also see that, sure, like I said, we're having some bearish pressure right now. But overall, we still have a lot of momentum. Still very strong. All right. So even if this has a big drop, the technicals, which, you know, we still have a major support at 28.5 and like 30 cents, which I do think that there's a quite a high likelihood will drop down all the way down there. The technical support we have there, plus the strength from the fundamentals and the fact that the open interest is still so high, I think that's good enough to actually hold us and to eventually facilitate a move up to the next resistance level at 40 cents. Big psychological level. There's a lot of technical resistance up there as well. And eventually, especially with a market cap, I mean, there's still room to grow with a market cap like this. I think something like 50 cents is also a possibility. Might still take a little bit longer, but still. So that's what I expect. Now, given the fact that the open interest is quite high right here, and just in general, open interest and leverage is quite high in the markets, I do expect us to have a bit of a spike at some point of time. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend trading Ondo with leverage. I wouldn't recommend trading it at all. It's your decision in the end. But with leverage, I mean, we're probably going to get a spike all the way down to like 25 cents at some point of time with Ondo, maybe even lower. Now, ultimately, I don't think that will matter. I think we'll still hold 28 and 30 cents as support with the bodies of the candles. But I would be prepared for something like that. And then after that, and just in general, what I expect is a big drop, consolidation, and then slowly followed up by a move up to 40 cents. And then after that, we'll start talking about 50, but it's too early for that right now. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, if you would have wanted a spot buy alert on Ondo because I bought it spot, consider joining my premium and signal group. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.